This is a seafood platter perfect for that special occasion.
Scallops, pancetta, oh, and a sauce to die for.
These babies that go so fast, you won't believe how they scoop them up.
Oh, I know. I'm a scooper, too.
I know, you're a scallop scooper. Oh my gosh, so I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My coming out of the shell Loon.
That's right.
Just
I love
like
it.
these beautiful scallops.
Oh
You
my
guys,
gosh, these are so good.
This is such a spectacular appetizer.
And
It's the
it's
holidays right now.
Perfect for a special occasion.
Entertaining. People are going to be
Yeah.
like, wow. And
I
they're
love them
so easy.
so much.
So let's get going.
right.
First of all, I've got a double boiler here. I've got a link for this that you can, these are awesome. If you don't, I'll talk about this in just a moment. Let's get you going on what you've
So
got.
we've got this roasting pan here. Oh, that's a roasting pan. That's
It's
like
just a baking dish.
Oh, okay. And we've got some oil in that because we're going to put what I'm doing over here in this.
We put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there.
Thank you.
We got some, some oil.
All right, so, and I've got some pancetta here, and I've got these scallops. This is a pound of sea scallops. They're a nice size. Look at those babies.
Sea scallops are the larger ones. The bay scallops are smaller. We love the sea. They're both delicious.
Yes, and I've got 3 ounces of pancetta here.
Thinly sliced.
You just got to roll it out. They come rolled up, and you just go roll it out. And you could use prosciutto or bacon. But this is, I like pancetta because pancetta is kind of fancy with the scallops. And it's just fun to say. Anyway, so I've got all these
fancy pancetta.
Fancy pancetta. And I'm going to cut these in half.
Yeah.
Because I've got 14 scallops there. Oh, come on. There we go. I'm horrible at this. Oh, it just takes me forever. Okay, there we go.
No, it's
all right.
Okay.
So I've got my scallops and I've got my pancetta here cut into strips. So I'm going to take a little bit of time as well.
You're going to take your time?
Yes.
Oh, you're going to take time.
I'm going to take my time. And I'm going to put just a few speckles of it. Isn't that what they're called?
Speckles. Yes, that's the culinary term.
Yes, speckles. Just throw that into there, and then I'm going to take my scallop and just kind of roll it on up there. Look at that.
So while he's doing all of these technical terms that he's throwing at you, I've turned I need my water to come to a boil. We're going to make that amazing sauce that you saw. And if you don't have a double boiler, no problem. All you're going to do is, this works so fast. See, that's going. So now I'm going to turn this down to, that brought to a boil, to just like a very low simmer. You can do this with the same thing, rather than having a pan like this that sits in here like that. You can just get a heat-proof dish and just hold it over. The cool thing about this, though, is you don't have to hold it. I don't know if I said, I've got a link to one of these in the description and in the blog post.
Look at how cute that is. You see, I wrap it up and then just let it sit there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over here and I'm going to put it right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to finish those up, and then we're going to get my sauce going. This comes together really fast. Oh, all right. Great. They're so festive.
Those are so cute. I kind of made a Christmas tree out of it.
You did. How perfect.
And my hands are clean, so now I'm going to add a little more salt and pepper. Just top it off here.
So I want to tell you something. So I said that this is really perfect for a special occasion when we're filming this. It's the holiday season. Yay! Our favorite time of the year.
Yes.
But it's also a special day today when we're filming this. When you're watching it, it's no longer this day. But today is Wesley's birthday.
It is.
How old are you?
I'm old enough to know better.
That's a good answer. Okay, so while you're doing that, I have got, this is now, it's over a nice simmering pool of water. If you put this directly on heat like this, then I've got these egg yolks that I'm putting in there. They would start to scramble, and we don't want scrambled eggs.
No.
We just want a nice, gentle heat that's going to make this incredible sauce. So
All right, while you're doing that last one, did you tell them that this is set for 450?
I didn't.
This is set for 450, and I'm just going to stick these babies in there.
Is it 450 or 415?
450.
450. Okay, and then I got a half a cup of just nice dry white wine. And literally that's all there is to it. We're going to add, no, I'm sorry, I lied. We've got a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice.
Lemon juice. You need that lemon juice.
And now I'm just going to stir this all together like this. And it's just going to start to thicken and form this amazing sauce before your very eyes. And
that's going to be done. That's going to be done, and we're going to come back and eat it all for my birthday.
That's right. Okay, yeah, it smells so good. So now,
that is gorgeous.
So you just really got to keep an eye on this. You know, and it really depends on the temperature of your water underneath, and if it feels like it's starting to thicken, and it will thicken, it'll get sudsy looking, foamy looking, and then you just don't want it to curdle. And if it starts to get too thick, that's okay. You can thin it with a little more lemon juice. Now I've just got some beautiful chives.
It kind of reminds me of a hollandaise.
It is,
but without any butter.
Yeah.
No butter.
And then I'm getting it here with just a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper.
Yum!
And you know, you can take it off the heat and leave it over the water like this so it'll stay warm. And that's all there is to that. That is so easy. And
I
that's
love
sauce.
it.
Are you getting the...
I'm going to get the scallops.
All right. It's scallop time.
Oh, wow. Those
beautiful.
Look really
these are so beautiful. Now, these are gone. It depends on the size of your scallops.
Oh,
if they're,
wow. Look at those.
Oh, they smell amazing. If they're extra giant, then
ooh, look at this.
It may take as much.
Hear the sizzle.
Hear the sizzle.
There we go.
Thank you, birthday boy. It may take 12 minutes. And you know, pancetta, if you've ever cooked with it, you know, it can get really, really crisp. This isn't about it getting super crisp. It's going to get crisp on the edges. It's just going to get kind of. It forms this beautiful
put it right there
marriage with the scallop, and it's just absolutely
wow.
good. So I'm telling you, folks.
Oh yay!
You could do. I mean, it depends. If you're serving this as an appetizer, you could do 2, or you could do 3. I'm going to give Wesley 3 because it's his special day, and I know Wesley.
And first of all, scallops are like popcorn to me.
I know, they melt in your mouth.
Pop them in my mouth. Pop, 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 pop.
Okay, now, oops, I just flicked my sauce.
That's all right.
Okay, so now...
You flicked it before.
And I'll flick it again.
There.
So yeah, so now we're just going to just put a little bit of the... You can do this however you like. But do a little on the side, a little over here. You can make a pool of it before you put the scallops down, but I just think
I like to rub my scallops in it.
Well, that doesn't sound appetizing, but okay, now I'm going to give myself a little bit here. Fabulous.
Y'all.
Now, what I love to do, because it's all
Yes.
presentation, is just, you know, before you serve it to your guests, put a little like that over it. Oh. I mean, people are going to be like, do I need to make reservations here? Because this is so fancy.
You really sauced me up over here, Mr. Saucier.
Well, you're kind of saucy to begin with. It's all about that sauce.
First of all, that sauce is... Hold on, I just want to taste that sauce. Unbelievable. All right. You know what, Chris?
You doing the whole kit and caboodle?
Yeah.
I knew you were going to do that.
I'm going to go in...
Okay. Although I can already tell these
they're
scallops
super
are so,
hot.
No, they're perfect. That is special occasion appetizer. I mean, that's... You serve that to your guests, and they're just gonna be like, yo! Yo!
What's wrong?
You just scared me. It was a scallop scream.
That's a scallop scream. That is so delicious. I can't even.
I know.
I'm gonna cut one open to show everybody. Just to see
that's a
how
good idea.
delicious it looks. Oh my stars. Look at that. Chris, that scallop is cooked perfectly.
It really is. It's so buttery, it's melty, it's not
put a little
fishy.
of this on there, and then I'm gonna stick it in my mouth. Oh.
Okay.
Those are 1,000%, 10,000.
I was
I'm
gonna
saying 1,000.
thought you were-
10,000% Loon approved.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna maybe say 100,000%. Those are so good, you guys.
They are. These are perfect for my birthday. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, and we love you guys so much. And if it's the holiday time when you're watching this, happy holidays.
Yes.
Be safe. Hug the people you love.
Totally.
Bye, everybody.
Make some scallops.
Scallop.